Hello everyone, my name is Bal Gosal. I came from Reno, Nevada. I bought my Land Cruiser a couple of months ago, but there was only one shop that I had in mind, that was Westcott Design. Reno has a couple of good shops, and I thought about it local, but I really wanted it done quality, and I was really excited with Westcott and all the videos I had watched. The other thing is I'm from a certain part of India. It's called Punjab, where food, music, and amazing cars are a thing. It's called the Jat life. So I wanted something that represented the Jat life. I know Jats around the world will watch this, and the plate's gonna say Jat Cruiser. So very excited. So I wanted a couple inch lift, not too much because I don't do a lot of off-roading, but I wanted really a looker, so that's why the yellow wheels. Then this right over here, I had watched videos on it. It just gives it a real masculine type of a look that I was looking for. Again, representing that Jat life. So very excited, and just how it turned out. I just wanted to be a little bit different. I could have done black or gray. But again, as I was telling you, the part of India I'm from, music, food, and just masculine type of cars are really our thing, so I wanted to be a little bit different. Actually, this is probably one of the reasons I came to Westcott, because I would watch his videos. I knew they would do the little things that kind of make it go wow. Like I said, I could have gone locally and a couple of shops tried, but just little stuff, you know, that right there. And then the fact that I didn't even ask for that, but I really think the wheels just yellow wouldn't have had that touch. So those are all the little things they did, and just very pleased.